Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML. And right now, we'll be discussing about HTML versus XHTML. XHTML is a stricter, more XML-based version of HTML. What is XHTML? XHTML stands for Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. XHTML is a stricter, more XML-based version of HTML. XHTML is HTML defined as an XML application. XHTML is supported by all major browsers. So I'm going to show you how all this works. Right here, I'm having a code right here. So I'm going to copy this code and create one XHTML file. Back to our desktop screen, right click and create a new file. Let's create a new file and give it index.xhtml. I'm not doing magic right here. So after that, just come here inside, open this with your VS Code and place the code. Let's save the code and reload and open our document with any browser we have. Let's open this with our Firefox. Can you see the code right here? It's displaying this. Some content is displaying right now. And one thing I want you to notice, we are saying that the XHTML is a stricter, more XML based version of HTML. So I'm going to show you why this XML based version of HTML. So back to our code. Let's remove this thing we are having inside our, if you notice that very well, we are having our HTML tag, opening and closing HTML tag, but inside this one particularly we are having this XMLNS is equal to double quote. Inside the double quote we are having this link right here. But I'm going to remove all this now so you can see the thing that is going to happen. So I've removed everything that is inside our HTML right here. So now let's reload our browser. Can you see what happens? We are seeing something different here. We are seeing HTML, but we are not seeing just HTML. We are seeing our HTML codes in XML way. I want you to understand this very well. We are right here now. Our HTML code is now looking in the way it's looking now. We are seeing the markups. We are seeing our HTML markups in XML form. That's what I want to show you guys. So that's why they are saying right here. That's the reason why they are saying XHTML is a stricter, more XML based version of HTML. So that's why you are seeing this XML. All this you are seeing right here, they are all XML versions. So, and in the future I'm still going to show you what you have to know, all you have to know about this. So just keep following along. So I don't want this tutorial to get too long, but I want you to see something again. When I bring this thing back now, you are going to see how it looks again now. Let's reload it. Can you see everything looks normal again? So I want to continue showing you everything that you need to know about it. Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day.